How to enable virus protection and secure your computer completely in Windows 11. Click Start menu, open Settings. In the search box, search for Security, open Windows Security Settings. In the left side, click on Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Protection, then click Privacy Settings and enable these four toggle boxes. Go back. Now click again on Virus and Threat Protection, then click Manage Settings, then toggle all of the settings to on, so that all of the services for virus and threat protections will be turned on. Now this is just one part. Now click on now in the next step. So make sure here just whenever you scan for computer, you click on full scan and start the scan. So we'll close this for now. And the next step, click on search, type task manager, click task manager. Now click on file, run new task. Now click browse. In the C drive, we have to find this file. Follow my screen here. Click on this checkbox and click OK. So type command gp update. That's it. You can close everything.